Hello! Welcome students! In this topic, we will learn to make lap joint on 2 mm thick sheet with dissimilar metals, stainless steel and mild steel by Resistance Spot Welding.
At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare sheets by shearing and grinding. Set the lap joint and operate spot welding machine. Weld the lap joint by using spot welding machine. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Now let's look at the tools required for make lap joint on stainless steel by Resistance Spot Welding MS sheet joining by Resistance Spot Welding. Steel rule, scriber, ball peen hammer, tri-square, tongs, steel wire brush, filler rods, welding torch. Now let's look at the pre-welding preparations for assess the MS sheet 2 mm joint by spot welding. Cut the sheet by hand shearing as per drawing. File the edges to square. Remove the burrs and clean the surfaces by wire brush. Set the pieces in the form of a lap joint. Select a proper spot welding machine. Select center tip type copper electrodes. Set current flow time and contact period time. Check the water cooling system. Tack at both ends of job by applying the pressure with spot welding machine. Now we'll make lap joint of 2 mm thick sheet with dissimilar metals, stainless steel and mild steel by Resistance Spot Welding. Select proper spot welding machine. Set tack welded lap joint on the machine. Select center tip type copper electrodes. Set current flow time and contact period time. Check the water cooling system. Complete the welding carefully. Inspect the weld for any surface defects. Now we look at the important points to follow for make lap joint of 2 mm thick sheet with dissimilar metals. Stainless steel and mild metal sheets by Resistance Spot Welding. Safety precautions. Use proper color lenses. Do not see the arc with bare eyes. Wear proper clothing. Keep combustibles out of the weld area. Improper weld by applying low current. Improper lapping. Poor resistance. Improper holding.
Recap.
In this topic, you have learned to prepare the sheets, tack weld and other pre-welding preparation, welding process of lap joint, 2 mm thick sheet with dissimilar metals, stainless steel and mild steel by Resistance Spot Welding, inspect for any surface defects. Thank you students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye!